Question 36 of the WAEC 2019 mathematics past question. That's the WAEC 2019. Okay, past question. It says the foot of a ladder is 6 meters from the base of an electric pole. The foot of a ladder. So let's say this is the ladder. Okay, this is the foot. Okay, it's 6 meters from the base of an electric pole. So this is the base of this electric pole. Let's say this is the electric pole. Okay, sorry, my electric pole is not straight. Anyway, the ones in Nigeria they are not straight too. Some of them, sure. That's the one that isn't concrete, isn't straight. Okay, so it's 6 meters from the base of an electric pole. The top of the ladder rests against the pole at a point 8 meters above the ground. The top of the ladder, this is the top of the ladder, rests at a point 8 meters above the ground. That's me from here to here. All right, is what 8 meters above the ground. How long is the ladder? So we're looking for this length. That's not it. This is what we're looking for. X. All right, this length. All right. So we have an electric pole. So definitely this is a rectangle triangle. All right. So all we need to do is apply what Pythagoras theorem, where this is what our hypotenuse, this is our what opposite, and this is our adjacent. Is that not it? It's our adjacent. So hypotenuse square is equal to what? 8 square plus what? 6 what square. And what is 8 square? That's what 64 plus what 36. Okay, 6 square is 36, and this will give us what 100. And our hypotenuse will be what the square root of 100. And what's the square root of 100? That is what 10. So the length, how long the ladder is what 10 what meters. Okay, so this is our answer, 10 meters, and our right option here is option C.